Hi, I'm Damien. Today we're going to start a new project. Yesterday I finished building and painting the Heldrake from the Chaos Space Marines faction from Warhammer 40k. I've done a couple of big projects in a row and I thought I was going to take it easy and paint something small, but me being me, we're going to start working on the Heldrake from Chaos Space Marines. It's a flying unit, looks really powerful with the new rules in 9th edition. So first thing to do, let's unbox it. It's the first time that I painted a model this large, and I have some pretty big plans for it. I don't plan on painting it the way that the box looks. I'm going to stick with the theme that I'm doing with my army, which is blue on black. But the thing that I like to do with my vehicles and my demons is I think they should be really colorful, where the troops and the other chaff should all kind of be black and in the background. So I'm going to invert the color scheme and primarily paint blue and do silver for all the trim. As you can see from the back of this, I'm going to have tons and tons of trim to paint. So as we get this open, we'll take a look at the sprues and see what's on them. There's two weapon options you can paint for this guy. One being the Bale Flamer, which is a flamethrower weapon, it's like an 18-inch range automatic hits. That's I think what I'll be modeling this as. You can also model it with an auto cannon. I haven't decided yet whether or not I'm going to magnetize the guns so I can swap them in and out. I can't really see a reason why I would run the auto guns. Okay, so take it out and see the instruction book here we'll use for the build. We'll see the base, the flying base, and let's take a look at these sprues. So, 2 overall sprues, 4 quadrants. Pieces are pretty large. So typically when I build, I'll build the entire model all at once and then paint it. But I think with what I have planned for the paint job, specifically for the wings and the body, I'm going to do this in sub-assemblies, which I haven't done before, so hopefully I don't lose any parts or get confused when I put it back together. What I want to try and do is a gradient pattern along the wings from basically different blues or bluish greens. I very much like teal as a color, so maybe I'll transition from teal to maybe more blue, more green. I've seen some techniques people done online to get kind of a scaled pattern itself that involves using dried out Clorox wipes. So we'll see if I can pull that off. Clorox wipes have been sold out in my area since the beginning of the pandemic, so we'll see what I come up with. So that's all for today. Really, this is just me practicing setting up the camera. One of the things I really dislike about this GoPro is that it's always in wide frame, so I can't really focus on what I'm doing. So you always get to look at me and my desk. So may have to start thinking about other camera options. So, alright, thanks for watching this clip.